In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make fake video calls using deepfake and deepfacelive. All right. Maybe you want to make a call and prank somebody so that the person will be seeing another person. You want to appear as Elon Musk, Dangote, or Bill Gates, whoever you want to appear as. Then this is the right video for you, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it using an open source platform where you can do the whole setup. So I'm going to be showing you how to set it up and get the video running. Now, this video is only for educational purpose. It's not for any other thing aside fun and education, for you to be aware of what can happen or what people can do with their smartphones. So it is only maybe you want to prank your friend, your family member, or somebody you love so much. So it's for fun and educational purpose. All right. Without any further ado, let's get down to business. Let's go there. You cannot watch this video without subscribing to this channel. All right, if you have not subscribed to this channel, here we teach you different ways to make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing, and the rest of them. Now, if this is the type of content you would like to consume, please click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon, and then let's get down to business.
And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install deepfacelive and also how to make a fake video call on WhatsApp. This fake video call can work on any platform, so let's get right in. I'm going to be doing everything live. I'm not going to edit anything. Everything will be done live on camera. Okay, so let me go onto my bed. All right, so this is a gaming laptop. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time, so let's move on to the laptop. Now on your Chrome browser, you're just going to click on it. You're just going to type deepfacelive and you're going to click on enter. Now when you click on enter, okay, moving my camera down, you guys can see this link over here. Okay, you're just going to click on it, and when you click on that link, you're just going to come here. Okay, and you're going to be scrolling down, and when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing different things. You're going to see the requirements over here. They're going to be scrolling down till when you see this mega link. Okay, and you're going to click on it. This mega link is in the description, so you can download it from the description, or you can just follow these steps and download the deepfacelive. Now I'm just going to click on this link. Okay, and after clicking on this link, it's going to take some time to load up the mega page for me to download deepfacelive. Now you guys can see this page over here. I need your full attention. If you're not using an NVIDIA GPU, you're going to download the one for DirectX 12. But if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, you're going to download the one for NVIDIA. Now the one I usually download is the one of 2 gigabytes. Okay, so I'm just going to double click on it. Okay, and you can see that it is going to come over here and start downloading, but because I've already downloaded it into my laptop, I don't need that. Okay, now for those of you guys that want to make fake video calls, this part is very important. In order to make a fake video call, you need OBS Studio. So you're going to search up OBS Studio. You guys can see OBS Studio. I'm going to click on OBS Studio. And when I click on OBS Studio, I'm going to click on the link itself. All these are in the description of this video. Then you're going to click on Windows. If you're using a Windows laptop, you're going to click on Mac if you're using a Mac, or you're going to click on Linux if you're using a Linux laptop. Now I'm using a Windows laptop, so I'm going to click on Windows. But if I click on this now, it's going to download. So I've downloaded it already, so there's no need to do that. Now if you've downloaded all that, you're just going to go to your files, and when you go to your files, you're just going to go to your downloads. And if you go to your downloads, you're going to be looking for your OBS and your deepfacelive. This is OBS, so you're just going to double click it and install it. But for me, I've already installed OBS Studio, so there is no need for me to install it again. But if you are doing a fresh installation, you're going to need OBS Studio. And also after installing OBS Studio, or before installing OBS Studio, you're going to see your deepfacelive like this. Now you're just going to double click on it. Okay, and you're going to click on extract. So I'm just going to wait for it to extract. Okay, this is a live installation, so I'm not cutting up anything. You guys are going to be watching it live. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for it to install.
Now if this video is making sense to you, please come to the comment section and comment amazing. All right, this is going to help the algorithm push this video further.
All right guys, so it has installed, and if you scroll down now, okay, you're going to see deepfacelive NVIDIA. Now you're going to double click on it, and you're going to double click on deepfacelive itself. Now it's going to take some time to load up, but definitely it's going to load up. All right guys, so you guys can see this prompt it has shown, and this is how the interface is going to look if you are looking at deepfacelive for the first time. Now how do you set up your deepfacelive? Over here you have your file source. That is, if you want to use a video instead. You understand? Over here you have your image. Okay, you want to use an image or a video, the same thing I was saying. If I move my camera down, you have your camera source. Okay, but first of all, you must have a webcam. You guys can see my laptop does not have a webcam, so I'm just going to carry my webcam. Okay, you guys can see it now. I'm going to take this, okay, and I'm just going to plug it to the side of my laptop. Okay, you guys can see it's plugged in, and let me show you guys how this works. Now over here, you're just going to enable your webcam. Okay, you're just going to click on this, and you guys are going to see webcam C170. You're going to click on this. Now please note, okay, it can be any number, but it is going to be definitely a webcam. So you guys can see that if I move my camera anyhow, okay, it's going to be showing what is showing on my camera. And one of the reasons why I love this camera is that whenever you're using the camera, there will be an indicator to show that the camera is working. So get a Logitech webcam. They are basically the best at what they do. Now this aside, let's resume. Over here, okay, you have some other buttons. Over here you have your face alignment. Okay, this is important for it to track your face well, so that it can swap your face. Okay, and also over here you have your face detector. Okay, your face detector's purpose is also to track your face. Now let me just show you guys how to set it up. Over here, your face detector can be either Voro 5 or center face, but I like center face because center face gets your face very well. So I'm just going to go for center face. Okay, and my device is going to be my GPU. If you don't have a GPU, you're going to use your CPU, but it's going to be way advisable to get a laptop with a very good NVIDIA GPU. Now resuming my tutorial, you guys can see that I've selected my NVIDIA GPU. Okay, and over here you have your face swap DFM. That is if you want to use a deepfake model. Okay, now let me show you guys something. If I come over here, okay, and I select my graphics card, you have to select your graphics card in whatever you're doing. Now if I select my graphics card, okay, I'm going to click on model. Okay, you're going to see different models. I'm going to click on any one of them. Now you have to wait for them to download. Okay, alright guys, so that deepfake model has downloaded, but everything is not perfect yet. You have to set up your face marker. Okay, this is also part of the things that are going to be tracking your face movement. So if I move my mouse to this device, I have to select my GPU or my CPU. Now mind you, this laptop comes with NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti with 16 gigs of dedicated memory and also 32 gigs of RAM. It is a Core i9. This is a beast of a laptop. You can use this same laptop to train deepfake models, okay? But I'm just going to be showing you guys how to install deepfacelive on your laptop. So watch this video from the beginning to the end, okay? And also I'll add a bonus on fake video calls. I'm going to be showing you how to make a fake video call on any social media platform. If you are enjoying this video so far, please subscribe, like, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Let's just continue with this tutorial. So I'm just going to click on my NVIDIA GPU, and when I click on my NVIDIA GPU, you guys can see everything has loaded up. Now we have to come to the face measure and now click on CPU and select our GPU instead. Mind you, if you don't have an NVIDIA GPU, use your CPU, but know that it is going to hang. Okay, it is for sure it's going to hang. Now coming back to my web camera, okay, I'm just going to pick it up. I want to do everything live on camera. And by the way, if you are loving this video, subscribing will be very helpful. Alright guys, let's test this out. Alright guys, so you guys can see deepfacelive. You guys can see how realistic deepfacelive is. Okay, now the problem with deepfacelive is that you have to train a model for weeks, and you are only limited to the models that they already trained. So without training a model for weeks, I don't think you can use deepfacelive. But if you want a software that allows you to use your picture or any picture that you want, I think you should watch this video over here. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a fake video call on WhatsApp. Alright guys, let's do this. So you guys saw the power of deepfacelive. You guys saw how it was swapping my face and how it got my face well, but how do we use it on WhatsApp? How do you make fake video calls on WhatsApp? Let's do this guys. I'm just going to open up my Chrome browser, okay, and I'm just going to search for NDI suit. I'm going to click on enter. Okay, and when I click on enter, you guys can see the first link. I'm going to click on the very first link, and when I click on the very first link, it's going to take me here, and I'm just going to click on for Windows. And when I click on for Windows, if you come over to your download section, if I click here, you guys can see that it is already downloading. Okay, so let's give it some time to download. Alright guys, and the i5 tools has downloaded. I'm just going to click on the file button. Okay, and when I click on the file button, if I move my camera here, you guys can see NDI5 tools. I'm going to double click on it. Okay, and when I double click on it, my administrator is going to come up. Okay, now focus on this part, is very important. I'm just going to click on yes. Okay, and when I click on yes, depending on the speed of your laptop, it's going to bring up this prompt. I'm going to click on I accept, and I'm just going to click on next, and now it's going to start installing NDI5 tools on my laptop. Please, if you are enjoying this video, it's not easy to set up all this. Okay, you guys can see where I am. Okay, just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video with others that also want to learn how to make a fake video call on WhatsApp. Alright, so I believe you guys have subscribed and liked this video. Let's proceed. Now you guys can see that it is installing. Let's wait for it to install. Alright guys, so it has installed, and now you're just going to fill in anything. Okay, now my first name, I just want to put anything. Okay, my last name, anything, my email. Alright guys, so we're done with that, and this is the most important part. Okay, to make a fake video call on WhatsApp. Over here is the most important button, the webcam. So I'm just going to double click on it. Okay, and when we double click on it, you guys can see over here that NDI is showing. Now we have to open up OBS Studio. I'm going to open it up, and when I open it up, this is how it should be. Now if yours is different, try and restart your laptop. Now over here, you're just going to click on plus, you're going to click on window capture. But before you do this, you have to open up your deepfacelive. Okay, and you have to make sure that you click on this window button. Now this window button will open up a deepfacelive output that will now be taken to OBS in the window capture. Now if I open up my OBS, I'm just going to click on plus, then I'm going to click on window capture, then I'm going to click on OK, then it's going to show OBS Studio. Now most of you guys that are doing video calls, you don't want your mouse to be showing, so we're going to untick cursor capture, we're going to click on OK. Now you guys can see that it is in one side of the screen. We want it to be full screen. We're going to click on edit, we're going to click on transform, and we're going to click on fit to screen. And if I click on fit to screen, you guys can see that it is in the center of the screen. Now let me drop my webcam and resume the tutorial. Alright, so you guys can see how it looks after dropping my webcam. Your web camera must be on your face at all times. If it is not on your face, this is how it is going to look. But this is how I'm going to be showing you guys that it is working on WhatsApp. Now if I just come over here, I'm just going to click on start virtual camera. Okay, if it does not work, you're just going to click on tools, you're going to click on auto configuration manager. I will only be using as a virtual camera. Next, apply settings. So once you click on that, you're going to click on start virtual camera. That is very simple. Remember, if I put this webcam on my face, this is how I look. And please, Biko, subscribe to the channel. It's not easy to do all these things. Alright guys, let's finish this tutorial. I've clicked on start virtual camera, and I want to make a fake video call on WhatsApp. I'm going to click on this arrow here. Okay, and I'm going to click on this NDI webcam. And when I click on end the webcam, I'm just going to click on settings. I'm going to click on laptop. I'm going to select OBS. Now you guys can see that what is showing in OBS Studio is showing in NDI webcam. Now I'm just going to expand it by clicking on this arrow over here. Now one of the reasons why I expanded it is that I want to change these blank spaces to this. Okay, so whoever we're calling will not even know that it is us. You understand? So I'm just going to click on the settings again, laptop, OBS, settings, laptop, OBS, settings, laptop, OBS. Okay, you guys can see everything is falling in place. Now we are ready for the fake video call. I'm just going to give my guy a call right now. Okay, I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to click on my window button. I'm going to click on WhatsApp. Okay, we want to try it on WhatsApp, so I'm just going to click on WhatsApp. And now you guys can see this guy. He has been waiting for me to give him a fake video call. I'm gonna give it to him right now. You guys should just watch and observe how this goes. Okay, I'm just gonna click on video call, and I'm gonna allow this. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna click on yes, and you guys can see the video call has started. I'm gonna change this to NDI webcam. Okay, as I taught you guys, and now you guys can see how everything is. So if I pick up my camera, I'm going to show him. He did sharp, Abi. All right now.
Let me just send you the number straight. Make call yourself, I beg.
Hope saying they online. Hope saying they online.
Yeah. I'll call him now. Let me come online straight. I beg.
Okay. Oh yeah now. Send me your number sharp, I beg.
All right.
Alpha.
Hello. Yes.
Alpha.
I beg good. How are you?
I did. No.
No Allah.
All of us do. You know bad, my hand is shake. I do the external webcam.
Yes, I understand. You go where no bad.
Alright, Naji. Alright.
Okay, confirm.
Alright. Wow, so you guys saw how to make a fake video call on WhatsApp and also how to install deepfacelive. If you want me to install it for you, you can just message me in the description. Okay, my contact is in the description of this video.
Now, conclusively, you cannot achieve this with a normal laptop. All those your HP, Dell, and the rest of them, you can only achieve it using what we call the gaming PC, like the Alienware. It has to have a dedicated memory for graphics, all right? It has to have like NVIDIA and the rest of them. So in short, it has to be a gaming PC. That is the only PC that can run this smoothly. We have tried it on normal PC and it hung the laptop. If you want a gaming PC, there'll be a link in the description bar where you can be able to reach us directly so we can guide you on how to get it from a trusted source. And we are going to do the setup for you. Please, all these are not free. It is not free at all right? I'm Solomon from solocommunications. Once again, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Here is where we teach you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing, and the rest of them. We go as far as testing platforms that promises to pay you, and if it works, we bring it down to here for you to try it out and make money for yourself. So you have no other option but to subscribe to this channel, and make sure you share this video so you can get to more people. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. We will answer you. And remember, don't forget to comment amazing even if you don't have anything to say. I'm Solomon. I sign out.